Waterfalls, you may or may not know, is the proprietor of a jet ski business. But the jet skis that Jason Waterfalls sells can only be safely operated on lakes and rivers. He dreams of selling jet skis that can be safely operated on the ocean, but that remains just a dream. Only Jason looking out at the ocean, which is full of jet skis. But all the jet skis that Jason sells can only be operated on lakes and rivers safely. And all his dreams just ain't helping at all. He can never sell ocean-going jet skis. And so our poor friend Jason, he decides to quit the jet ski business entirely. Oh no. Don't go chasing waterfalls, just stick to the rivers and the lakes like you're used to. I know that you wanna sell ocean-bound jet skis, but unfortunately the jet skis that you sell can only be safely operated on lakes and rivers. So our friend Jason decides to quit that business and to move himself out to Hollywood. He's gonna pursue his dream of becoming a world-famous talk show host like Jimmy Kimmel or Jay Leno. And while he achieves moderate success as a syndicated daytime talk show host, the success he achieves is only similar to that of Ricky Lake or Joan Rivers in her failed bid at becoming a talk show host. Don't go chasing waterfalls, just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you wanted to become a world-famous talk show host, but you're gonna have to settle at mid-level syndicated daytime success like Ricky Lake or Joan Rivers. Come on, Jason Waterfalls, it's still pretty good to have your own daytime talk show host. After all, Ricky Lake was on for 11 seasons, and while Joan Rivers' efforts at becoming a talk show host are largely forgotten, she ran for 4 years and won multiple daytime Emmy Awards. I've seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have up and gone and leaving streets not one God-given right. Is it because the life has 10 shades of gray or gray or 10 fade away? See, I've been facing for a sunny day. And like a promise is true, only my faith can undo. When any chances are blue, I bring my life to a new, clear blue and unconditional skies that dry the tears from my eyes. No more lonely cry. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for too tame into your own vein? What a shame you shoot aim for someone else's lane. You claim to be insane and name this day and time of falling prey to time. I say the system's got you dipped into your own life. Dream that hope is operation and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you, Jason Waterfall. Oh no, Jason Waterfall. Just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. It's pretty good to be the proprietor of a lower caliber jet ski salesman operation, or to become a daytime talk show host that's syndicated like Joan Rivers or Ricky Lake. Come on, Jason Waterfalls. It's important in life to appreciate the success that you have attained, and don't become haunted just because you didn't. Yeah, ultimately you weren't able to sell ocean-going jet skis, and you will only achieve the talk show success of Ricky Lake and Joan Rivers.